They say that time is free, then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll say memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to live.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I have a few Easter DIY projects for you, so if you want to see what I ended up making, then just keep on watching. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps out our channel. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time we upload. Now let's jump right into it. For our first DIY, we're going to be making these bunny stands. I got this bunny from Target, and I believe Michael sells them as well. These are all the supplies that you're going to need in order to make the project.
Feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand.
Once the paint is dry, I then went in with some felt and I cut a little strip just to place it at the bottom just to complete the look. Next, we're going to take some yarn and we're going to create a pom-pom to be the tail of the bunny.
But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together.
Now that we got all our yarn, I'm going to go in with the scissors and start creating the pom-pom, and then I'm going to clean up the edges. Next, I'm going to take the tail and I'm going to glue it onto the bunny. The next step is applying Mod Podge. I would recommend doing this before you glue on your tail. I wish I would have done that before. It just would have made things much easier. So definitely do the Mod Podge before you add the tail. Our next DIY is this eggs sign. To begin, I'm going to be using this sign from the Dollar Tree, these wooden eggs. And these are the paint colors that I'm going to be using. The paint, I ended up getting it at Walmart. To begin, I'm going to be using some white paint to cover the wording. And guys, I recommend not doing this step. Use white chalk paint. It's way much easier and it dries faster. I literally had to do 3 coats of paint and I had to wait in between. And here I'm just setting up the eggs, and then I'm going to grab some tape and I'm going to section off the parts where I'm going to be applying the paint. And now that everything is dry, now we can start assembling and gluing on the eggs.
Wasted money on cures, forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free, then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll say.
Our next DIY is this Easter bunny egg sign. I got the egg wooden sign from the Dollar Tree, and here I'm using the same colors that I use on the other projects. And I'm mixing it in with some white to soften it up. Next, I'm gonna paint this wooden bunny ornament that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just mixing in some white and green to soften it up. And now that everything is dry, we can start assembling our sign. So I'm just gluing on my bunny, and then I'm gonna grab a cotton ball and I'm just gonna glue it onto the tail. Then for the wording that I use for the sign, I just use my Cricut machine. And for our last DIY, we're going to be making this egg hunt sign. This is super easy to make. All I grabbed was some white paint, covered the sign, and then on the words I used the green paint. You can also add embellishments to it, so you can add like bunnies or more eggs, or if you want to even take flowers, or take it another step further and add this sign onto a wooden stick and to poke it down in the ground, so that way when you're having your Easter egg hunt, you have a cute little sign. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. And until next time, guys, bye!